Hey y'all, it's your girl HustlaWyfe and I'm back with another video. Today's video is going to be a voiceover video simply because when I was doing my wig, I was listening to, music in the background, and for copyright purposes, I could not share the original audio with you guys. But yes, I did want to come on here and show y'all how I did my skunk stripe. This video was maybe a few months old, so just forgive me, guys. But basically, I got a 13x6 wig. This wig, I believe, was 20 inches long, and it came in the color natural black, so it's more like a dark brown. But yeah, let's get right into this video. So right now I'm just securing my wig to my mannequin head, and I'm going to be using my steel pins. You can get these pins on Amazon for a few bucks, and this is so that you can have more steadiness when you're parting or brushing the wig. I actually had a wig stand. I don't know where I put it. I probably misplaced it somewhere, so that's why my mannequin head is all sliding all over the place. But these pins do help keeping the wig on the mannequin head and keeping it steady. For the bleach, I use Quick Blue by Clariel, or however you say it. And for the consistency of the mixture, I usually use 1 packet of bleach, depending on how much hair I'm trying to bleach. And I'm just doing the skunk stripe, so I use a little bit of the 40 Developer by Clariel also. And I just mix these together until it comes to like a thick paste, not too runny, because I don't want it to bleach my lace too much. And so I just mix it all in together until it's like a smooth consistency. I do recommend using gloves during this process because bleach is very harsh, and when it gets on your skin, it hurts really bad. Okay, y'all, so when I'm doing the part for the skunk stripe, I just did it on the side I usually have my part, which is the left side of my head. So I did it on the left side. I made sure the line was straight and everything like that. Well, not straight, but, I made it to where... So the style that I was going for was like a swoop bang. So I kind of like curved the part, if that makes sense. Y'all, I'm not a hairstylist. You know what I'm saying? I know how to, I know how to do certain stuff. But yeah, I did that. And I made sure the part was a little bit lower than what it usually is. So like in the case where I wanted to flip the hair or, curl it a certain way, I would still have my skunk stripe patch, if that makes sense. Okay, so now that I have my part constructed, I'm just going in lightly with my bleach mix. I'm not going too hard because I don't want the bleach to reach my lace, because my stylist, I believe, she bleaches my knots again, and I don't want, the hair or the lace to be over processed, and that'll give you that ugly yellow orangish color to your lace. So right now I'm just taking my time and going in with my bleach. As you can see, the black hair is starting to lift already. So that's why you have to be very mindful of your timing and how much you're getting done, because you don't want to, over process some of your hair, and then other parts won't be as bright. So I just, I'm trying to distribute the bleach as much as I can, as fast as I can. Y'all, so I don't know how true this is. I told you I'm not a hairstylist, but I always see this in movies. They always do it. I think it helps with the lifting process and, having the bleach lift it faster, quicker than it would without the aluminum foil. But I'm just lightly pressing on some aluminum foil, and I'm going to let this baby sit for about 10 to 15 minutes.
Let's go whip it, baby.
All right, y'all, I'm back after about 15 minutes. And yes, this baby has bleached very nicely, very evenly, but it's not quite to the blonde that I wanted. It's more of a honey blonde right now. So right now, I'm just going to wash it out with some lukewarm water. No soap or anything yet, just washing it out, getting all the bleach and stuff out. So y'all, I was just using my phone flashlight because it was a little dim in my kitchen. So I was just using my extra light to separate the black hairs from the blonde hairs, because I will be going over this again with some more bleach to lift it some more. So I just wanted to separate the black from the blonde. Y'all, so I'm just going back through the hair with the bleach so it can lift a little bit more. Just the same method. Be very light, but distribute it evenly throughout the hairs so everything can be bleached and look the same. All right, y'all. So after another 15 minutes, I am pleased with my results. So, yes, I'm tired at this point. I'm like ready for it to be over and everything like that. But look how lighter that looks. Like, look at the blonde. It's like much lighter than before, and I was really happy with what I seen when I once I washed it out. All right, y'all, so once the bleach is nice and washed out, you want to just part your hairs again to make sure none of the black hairs is mixed in with the blonde. So that's what I'm doing right now. And y'all, look at this color. It's perfect. I love it. I love it. I love it. So after I do that, I'll show you guys what I'm going to be doing next. All right, y'all, so I'll be using Color Charm toner with a side of 20 Developer. I'm not sure of the measurements. I'm just eyeballing everything. So I'm just going to give them like a good bit of both and mix these together. It's kind of weird because it turns like to a purple mixture, and it actually messed up my mannequin head, but it's okay. All right, so here is for the fun part, the toning. Period. We made it. But yeah, this is the toner. This is to tone the hair from that orange tint color. more of a blondie. Come in my comments like, oh, you doing this wrong. Look, I'm experimenting in every, ooh, not on my frontal though. You know, I'm trying to get better at what I do. It's not that hard, it's just, you gotta take your time and not rush. Hold on. Yeah, we're not fucking with the lace. Like, no. Come out. Ugh. All right, that's better. I hope to God this thing don't tint my lace. I don't know what it's doing. Let me see. Oh, it's the fabric underneath it. Okay, it should be good. All right, I'm done. I get my hair done Friday. I'm not gonna post the video until I get my hair done, because I would, you know, want y'all to see how it looks. But yep, I'm done, y'all. Set a timer for 30 minutes.
30 minutes starting now.
All right, y'all, so this is how the wig looked after. I had bleached it and toned it down. I will be inserting like pictures and videos for y'all after I got it installed and styled and stuff. But thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.